I mean, we only got 10 seconds on us. Let's go.
Nadat Mark Boucher sy oog tydens sy oefenwedstryd in Julie beseer het, was die afgelope paar maande nie die maklikste tyd in die voormalige Protea paaltjiewegter se lewe nie. Maar Vrydag het hy gewys dat daar meer as net cricket om na in die hart lê. Boucher het ongeveer 50 km op 'n oefenfiets in die Cavendish Square winkelsentrum getrap, as deel van 'n veldtog om geld vir die Quad Para Vereniging van Suid-Afrika, asook die Red Ons Renostersveldtog in te samel. Om hom te ondersteun, het Suid-Afrika se toetskaptein Graham Smith en Ryan O'Connor van KFM ook saam in die saal kom sweep.
We all know Mark's had a tough time since England, his eye injury and stuff. He's had a number of surgeries, and through it all, he's applied his time and effort into the rhinos with SAB. He started SAB Mark Boucher Conservation to save the rhino. And he was doing 60 kilometres today, raising 100,000 Rand for the charity and for the campaign.
The cause is great, both that and the Quad Para Association. I mean, an unbelievable organisation that's just, they've been around and they need the ongoing support, not only of Old Mutual, but of everyone, to find out a bit more about what they do and how they can help out to make other people's lives different. So two great organisations, and ultimately my legs and my bum, it's okay, ek sal lewe.
My bum is very, very sore. I don't think I'm going to be able to sit for a day or two, but glad it's over.